We're at Somerset, Pennsylvania. We got an appointment about 140 miles away. In about 3.5 hours, we're 140 miles away. So it'll take about 2.5 hours to get there. Our appointment is in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. I believe we're going to a Walmart. And that's all I know at the moment. But both of us have to use the bathroom, so we're gonna do that. And we're also gonna let the truck warm up a bit, and then we'll hit the road. This is also the first day of the King of the Road tournament on NASCAR Heat 5 PS4. And that's not until 8 o'clock Eastern time, so I should be able to make it. Depends on what kind of load I get after this. But I do have the PS4 and the TV already there, ready to go for travel. But right now, let's just get to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Just made it to Harrisburg. Got here an hour early, and I'm parked here on these little waiting parking spots, I guess, and they will call me with the dock, so. Slowly but surely getting unloaded. It is 10:39 now. I was able to get back into the dock about 8:45. Got unloaded. Here's all the paperwork. Gonna get the paperwork real quick, mail that in. Gonna get some Chipotle, and I'm parked here at a Texas Roadhouse. They don't open till 3, so I think I should be okay parking here. But hopefully I'll have my next load pretty soon, and I'll be able to get out of here. Okay, just stopped at a Love's. This is where the cheapest fuel I can get. but my next load could not be any more inconvenient. The race is on Heat 5, Round 1 of the King of the Road tournament. They start at 8, and my appointment window is 8 to midnight. And, yeah, so... Okay, here we are. So I found this place to park. It's a little bit closer to where my pickup is than the Loves. So the last race for round 1 starts at I think 9:50. Let me double check that. Yeah, 9:50. So 9:50. So the race will be at most an hour. So that will be at 11, and that will give me plenty of time to get ready and then go to the appointment and pick up the load. So, and then I can maybe come back here, get some sleep, and we'll see how it works out. All right, we are about a half hour away from race time. I will have a link to the videos I'll have about this, if they go well, in the description. But yep, and I will let you know after the race, and then we can finally go pick up our load. Oh, what a night I had. Sorry I skipped some parts. We're picking up this new trailer. It's loaded. We just gotta make sure that the gauges are right. Oh man, this is a long story. I'll tell you when we get on the road. I just took the tandems all the way forward. See where the gauges come out. The tractor's at 32. Most you can have is 34. But it drives a lot better when it's 32 or under. And it looks like we're gonna leave the tandems all the way up front. So it's gonna idle. Perfect. 32 for both tractor and trailer. Alright, well, we made it to the drop-off time 2 hours early, and we are already getting unloaded, which is cool. This is such a fast-paced place, this Food Lion in Dunn, North Carolina. So I really didn't have time to really put my phone down anywhere and film. But yeah, we're getting unloaded now, and this is one of those places where you have to unhook from your trailer while you're at the dock. So, all right, we are good. Just gotta do the paperwork here, send it in. I'm here at a Pilot and Circle K. They're merged together. Kind of got I have one of the 15 parking spots here. This is a pretty small truck area. So, but yeah, I wonder if I'll get a load right away or if I'll get a load when my 10-hour break is done. But I guess we'll see. Alright, so I did get a load for the next day. I already picked it up, and I'm here at the first stop. There's a second stop only 5 miles away, but that's where I'll leave. That's where I'll end the first video. I will make another video on Monday or Tuesday. It depends on the round 2 race that I'm put in, because there's 2 races for round 2, or 2 groups, and I'll be in either 1 or 2. So I do have a league race on Gran Turismo tonight, but yeah, I will just make another trucking vlog or a trucking video on Monday when I do King of the Road, because this tournament on Heat 5 is a pretty cool thing, and I also want to remember what exactly I was doing on the days where this tournament was happening. So anyways, I will catch you guys later, and I hope you enjoyed.